Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a great one for you. We have a new project that we currently got, and it's a Coyote, and we're gonna rebuild it and we're gonna go drag racing with it. I'm just joking. This is gonna be a parts car, so I'm gonna show you around and what it has and what it came with and all the damage that it has on the right side. As you can see, this is 2014 Mustang GT. If you see it from this side, it looks like a decent car, but if you take a look inside, and you'll see that there are some damage. However, the car is equipped with a special package, so it does come with a Caros. If you know anything about these seats, they're kind of pricey and they retail for $2,000 to $5,000, so it's a score there. And it also comes with a special package. This is Brembo brakes. These are aftermarket wheels, and I'm gonna move a car over so we can walk around it and show you the damage. But this car is going to be a parts car. We are gonna rebuild that 1954 Mercury, and we're gonna use a lot of parts from this car. So let me get the car in the center so I can show you the damage and tell you about the plan. All right, starting on this side, I'm gonna give you a quick around. We're already seeing all the stuff on this side, but as you come this way, the rear end looks pretty dope, and we'll set her up in this video as well. But then once you come on this side, it's like, golly, what happened here? I hope whoever drove this car is fine, but the damage is ridiculous, as you can see. So don't feel bad. I'm gonna part this car out. As you can see, the dashboard, A-pillar, it's all pushed in. And as if you come over here on this side, it's pretty tight. The airbag is out, and then this door has just seen better days. Alright, I want to show you this damage one more time. As you can see, this is where the main body is supposed to be, and this is how far the car actually got pushed in. And also over here, if I'm standing right here, I'm standing inside the car. So don't feel bad, I'm going to part this car. So the main thing is we're going to come this way. We're going to show you where we are after. This is the main thing. It's a Coyote, first gen, 2014, so it has a little bit revision. 420 horsepower. It's stick clutch, so it's a good donor car. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the engine out, take the transmission out, take the subframe out, take the suspension out, take the seats out, take the diff out, and possibly a dash. So the whole goal is to move and build new suspension on the old car, also using the Mustang's control arms, Mustang's brakes, Mustang rear diff. So it's gonna be a big build out, but it's gonna, in the end, the payout is gonna be super great. So the main goal of this build is to move the Coyote over, build the custom shock towers, subframe, probably gonna have to modify the frame on the old car, get a modern drivetrain out, take out the axle, build the 4-link, because I'm planning to take that old car drag racing and probably competing. And also we're gonna try to see if we can fit this whole interior, including airbags and everything, to make the car modern as we can. But in the meantime, we're gonna crank it up for you now so you can hear this Coyote roar. Damn, something about this rear end, it looks so freaking cool. I love these lights. All right, so we are gonna crank it up. There you go. Alright, it is manual, so going cold, so we're not gonna run her for a while. But yeah. Damn, that sounds so freaking good. I'm so tempted to put a Coyote in my Mach or whatever, the Mustang that I drive, but no, we gotta finish the black car first. And I would appreciate if you guys hit the like, subscribe, and follow along, because I'm gonna have a detailed build out. So it's gonna be a lot of videos. So next video you're probably gonna see is me painting the old GT, because I do want to finish that one, and I also want to sell it. I know I said I wasn't gonna sell it, but since I got this car, I got so excited about Coyote. So this is Coyote number 1. So we're definitely gonna have Coyote number 2 and Coyote number 3. There's 3 cars that I wanna put Coyotes in. So I would appreciate if you guys hit the like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll guys see you in the next time.